All right, number 32. What are the products for we have a cyclohexane with, what is that? Methoxyl group. Maybe it's a methoxyl group is what it's called. I don't know. First, we're treating it with sodium hydride in THF, which is Aprotic. Then we're treating it with iodo propane. So a product is always going to favor Sn2 and E2, right? So our first option is this molecule. So we would get deprotination. Now the deprotination could come from the hydroxide anion. It's a strong anion. It could remove that H. Then Sn2 reaction with iodo propane, right? Then the H would come off. This would be a negative oxygen molecule, and it could come in and Sn2 react with the one iodopropane, the first degree, the primary substrate. So that seems feasible, this option. So here we would have deprotination. Then Sn2 with 1-iodopentane. There is no 1-iodopentane. Okay, there's no. Where's that coming from? So that's not going to work. So this would be protonation. What here is going to, I guess, protonation. The only way that this oxygen could be protonated is if it took maybe an H, a hydrogen from the 1-iodopropane, right? Let's say it took one of these H's, but then if it took that H, this would turn into an elimination, and that would go off. It needs to be deprotonated so it could, well, it would need to be deprotonated in order to come off, but we need a deprotonate of the OH, but that would be Sn1 leaving group, and that needs Aprotic solvent. THF is Aprotic, right? Also, this would turn into, this would be an E1 elimination, not, that would be an E1 elimination, even if it was a Aprotic solvent. That would be, an E2 elimination, not an Sn2 elimination or an Sn1 or whatever they're pretending they want it to be over there. Alright, so in order to get this, we would have to again have an Sn1 leaving group, not in Aprotic solvent, not in Aprotic, so that's not going to work. Plus, then they give us this as well. This is a first degree substrate with an unhindered base of hydride. So it's going to be Sn1, not E2. So the only one that seems to work is going to be this one.